Here we are in Bracken Ridge. This is a hive in a ceiling. Beautiful hive here. Lots of honey at this end. And this is Kevin. Hello. Hey Kevin. So the brood is mostly at that end. Lots of bees in here. Good healthy hive of bees. Yeah.
Even the small ones are huge.
Yeah. These bees just recovered from a wall in Bracken Ridge, a ceiling rather. All heading into that box where I've put the queen.